That funny.
Well, look at this, guys.
Not the east.
Look how dark it is during the eclipse, guys.
It's coming back just the opposite.
Yeah. There it is.
Oh, here it comes.
There's the sun.
And it's going faster.
What time is it?
Wow.
Going faster than
It's
something
going,
else?
yeah.
Well,
Now
It's
the
going
mines
faster
will be
than it
going.
went.
If
You
that's
can't
the
even see it.
sun,
You can't even see it
where's
through the
the
glasses.
moon?
Oh no, you can't even see
Oh
it
my
through the
god, it's so
glasses.
bright now.
The
Why is
moon,
this guy
Isn't that
big?
crazy?
yeah, very crazy.
the moon exploded.
I
the
wonder
lights
why
gonna
you
turn off
can't
now?
see it through the glasses.
Yeah, the
now.
lights
I
did
don't
turn
know,
on.
that's
No,
wild.
those ones.
Wow.
Yeah, they'll turn them on.
Look at how fast it's coming back.
Cool.
It's coming back faster.
Yeah, we're getting daylight back. We got 1 minute.
This.
Yeah, it's chilly.
My God, I'm going to say.
Are you cold?
It dropped
You're cold
Yeah,
already?
you wear this for a few minutes?
No. They wear shorts all winter long.
Yep, that's
Weather
true.
channel's fucked up though. They said 60,
Yeah,
65
it is.
degrees.
It's
Ain't
like
65
35.
degrees.
No,
It's about
it's like
10.
5.
It's like 5. Look down, it's
It
freezing.
feels colder than the winter.
Feels colder than
Because I
the
wear this in the winter.
Everybody that's working at the Weather Channel quit to watch these clips. They can't find the right weather.
You guys
Yeah,
just see how that flicker is silver
Yeah.
over that way above the sun?
Why did it turn
Like about where 2 o'clock would be if the sun was a clock.
Yeah.
Because our parents would
It
make
was
us
like a
watch it.
little flash of silver.
Probably like a geomagnetic storm.
Good.
That could be.
That's probably what I got on my camera too on my first picture.
What?
Oh, look at that.
What
I
time is
wonder
it?
if you can see it now.
Oh.
Nope, I can't see a thing through them damn glasses.
Nope.
You don't have to have
It's
the
pretty
glasses.
cloudy right now, too.
You don't have to have the glasses on.
The pie is out at the top left now.
Yeah.
Remember how it shrank it at the
Half
bottom?
moon.
Yeah.
And now it's going back the other way. It's taking it out of the top.
Yeah.
Half moon. Oh, crescent.
You heard the morning doves.